Investing can be a great way to grow your money over time, but it can also be intimidating for beginners. Here are some tips to help you get started with investing in 2023. Set financial goals. Before you start investing, it's important to have a clear idea of what you want to achieve. Are you saving for retirement, a down payment on a house, or a child's education? Knowing your goals will help you determine the best investment options for you. Understand the different types of investments. There are many different types of investments to choose from, including stocks, bonds, mutual funds, and real estate. Each type has its own unique set of risks and potential returns, so it's important to understand the basics before you start investing. Start with a small amount of money. You don't need a lot of money to start investing, and it's better to start small and build up your portfolio over time. Many online brokerage firms allow you to open an account with as little as $50 or $100. Diversify your portfolio. Diversification means spreading your money across different types of investments, so that if one investment doesn't perform well, it won't have a big impact on your overall portfolio. Consider working with a financial advisor. If you're new to investing and don't feel comfortable making investment decisions on your own, consider working with a financial advisor. They can help you understand the different investment options and create a personalized investment strategy that meets your goals and risk tolerance. Stay informed. Investing is a long-term strategy, and it's important to stay informed about the market and your investments. Read financial news, track your investments, and review your portfolio regularly to ensure that you're on track to meet your goals. In conclusion, investing can be a great way to grow your money over time. By setting financial goals, understanding different investment options, starting with a small amount of money, diversifying your portfolio, considering working with a financial advisor, and staying informed, you can be well on your way to becoming a successful investor.